My name's Margaret Bell. I first started to feel a bit of a problem about a couple of months ago in my leg. It was beginning to let me down a bit, and then gradually it got worse until I could hardly put a foot on the floor without quite an intense pain in my hip, and it was it got over a week or two. It got really bad in that I could hardly walk at all. I was getting a bit desperate because I thought, oh, the only thing that I can do that's going to improve this is probably a new hip, which I didn't want to have done. I didn't want to go into hospital again. I went into the chemist in Keyworth to see if he could help me, and he recommended to ring Moore Osteopathy in West Bridgford and to get some treatment there. He said he was very good. So I came in to see Richard, and we spent half an hour or so discussing what he might be able to do, how he may be able to help me. I had some treatment and have been having treatment since, and I'm now walking like I've never had any problems. We went away on holiday and I walked and walked more than I ever thought I would. It's been an improvement that I never expected, and I'm just hoping that it can continue so I can keep coming and seeing Richard now and again, and he can keep me on track. Generally speaking, I'm without pain, which is brilliant. I can't recommend him highly enough, really.